Now, we're going to create an interesting looping synthesizer from this creative delay clip. But the fun thing about this process is it can work with any sample. So try vocal samples and bass samples and drum samples, found sounds, speeches, whatever you have, you can make playable, tuned synthesizer sounds this way. First thing I'll do is add a MIDI track. I'll add simpler to it. I'll do my favorite method, which is Command F, type simpler, down arrow, enter, and then close up the browser. And then I'll drag the crazy delay sample right down to the simpler. If I play a key on my keyboard, it plays that sound. Like before, I'm going to turn snapping off and looping on, and I'll adjust the loop length to about 1%. Already it's a pretty cool sound. With that, I can start changing the start percentage. So I'll play a note. So what we're finding here that's really interesting is the loop length is determining the pitch. But as I move that start point and scan around to find other locations in the sample, the timbre changes pretty drastically. One nice thing about the knobs on the push is that the start parameter, if you change the knob on the push, has a very fine resolution. I can also do that with the keyboard by holding Command while changing the parameter, which allows me to move this in very small percentages to get a really nice shifting timbre as we move that start point around. I'm going to find a nice timbre before I tune this instrument. I like that sound. It's a cool one. Now I want to make sure that when I play this, it'll be in tune with the rest of the world. So I have to make sure that when I play a C on my keyboard, I actually get the note of a C coming out. Now to make this a little easier, I actually created a very simple Max for Live plugin. And that's over here in the note display track. It's a simple MIDI instrument that just shows us which key you hit last. So I'm hitting some keys on my keyboard, and it's just displaying which note and which octave. I'm going to take this MIDI plugin and put it right before my new instrument. This way, as I play on the keyboard, we see what notes are played. And now I add my tuner device. Again, the same way to add plugins, Command F, T-U-N-E-R, down, enter, and I have a tuner device. Now my goal is to just go to the Crazy Delay plugin, to the control section, and adjust transpose and detune until the note that I send in MIDI equals the tuned pitch. Let's try it. And I'll adjust transpose up to go from B up to C, and I'll adjust detune till we're in tune. And now, every time I play a note, the MIDI input is a D, and the audio output is a D. MIDI input is a C, audio output is a C. We have an in-tune playable instrument.